Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're signed into the correct account. This matters because deleted content can be account-specific. Once signed in, open Messenger and go to Settings so you can view archived and message requests. Make sure the app is updated. Older versions hide features. If you use a desktop, open Messenger. On mobile, use the official app. Once done, keep your device connected to power and stable Wi-Fi so transfers and loads don't fail mid-process. You now run targeted searches. Type names, keywords, or approximate dates into the search bar. This surfaces threads where removals happened. Then, check archived conversations and message requests, deleted messages sometimes live there. Next, open Settings and tap Account Activity or download your information. Request a copy of messages if available. This process can take minutes to hours. Be patient. If you download data, keep the file secure. And once the archive arrives, search it locally for the removed message text you need. You finish by attempting recovery. Restore conversations from archive or open your downloaded message file and search inside. If the message was deleted only for you, ask the other participant to forward or screenshot it. Make sure you explain why. If nothing appears, update the app, sign out and back in, and reauthorize permissions, then retry the data download. One key troubleshooting tip: if the download fails, switch networks or use a desktop browser. Network stability or app cache often blocks large exports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.